Hello everybody, welcome to your maths class. So children, today again we are going to do the concept of full and empty. So let's start. Now children, look at the jars. Here I have kept two jars, 1, 2. Now children, by looking at these two jars, what do you think? Which jar is full and which jar is empty? Very good. This jar is empty and this jar is full. This jar is full and this jar is empty.
Children, look, here there is a plate and here I have kept two bowls. Now see children, here on the plate I have kept some pulses, okay? And here in the bowl I have kept nothing. That means these bowls are empty. These bowls are empty because it has nothing. See, it has nothing. When there is nothing inside an object, it's called empty. And see, here I have kept some pulses. Now children, let's put the pulses here in this bowl. Now children, see, I have kept some pulses here. But what do you think? Is it full now? No? Very good. Because see, it has more space left. It has more space left. So what I am going to do, I am going to put more pulses here in the bowl. Now children, see, is it full now? Yes, it's now full. This bowl is now full because it has no more space in it. Okay, so now it's full. So this bowl is full and this bowl is now empty because it has nothing. But I have poured the pulses here and see, it's full. This bowl is full of pulses. Now children, look, here I have kept two plates, 1 and 2. Now by looking at these plates, what do you think? Which plate is full and which plate is empty? Well done. This plate is full. And here, since there is nothing in the plate, this plate is empty. Okay, so now what I am going to do, I am going to put these biscuits here in this plate. Okay, and also I am going to count the number of biscuits. So let's count and put it in the plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Children, see, after putting the biscuits in this plate, what happened? This plate has become full, but this plate is now empty because now it has nothing in it, right? But it has become full. Why? Because I have kept all the biscuits from here to here. So now this plate is full and this plate is empty. Now children, can you all tell me how many bowls I have kept here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 bowls. And by looking at these bowls, can you all tell me how many bowls are full here? Let's count. 1, 2 and 3. Here we can find 3 bowls full of pulses, right? But how many bowls are empty? Only one. This bowl is empty and all these 3 bowls are full. Now children, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour some pulses in this empty bowl. Okay, so let's pour some pulses. Now children, I have put some pulses here in this empty bowl. Now by looking at these 4 bowls, what do you think? Now do we have any empty bowl? No, we do not have any empty bowl now. All these 4 bowls are full of pulses. All these 4 bowls are full of pulses. This is full. This bowl is also full. This is also full and this is also full. So here all the bowls are full now.